Perfect. So let's get started with Cloud Code. So if you want to install Cloud Code, just head over to this Cloud Code download. Okay, just click this. We can use the Cloud Code desktop, or the second thing is we can use it directly using terminal. So terminal. Quick start. Once you click this, you'll see this is the command. Just do a copy, open terminal, and enter. That's it. So it will automatically fetch the latest Cloud Code for you. Okay, until install. So I already have this installed. So how we cannot do this? Just open this Claude dash dash dangerously skip permissions. What it does is it will not ask us to just keep on accepting it the edits. Else it just bug us that you have to just write enter for each and every instruction. So we'll use this. Okay. We'll use the dark mode and Claude account with subscription. We already have the subscription, which is for the max plan. Okay. Click authorize. And here you can see we have logged in. Go ahead with the trust this folder. Fair. So this is logged in. Okay. So this is a very small interface and it will allow you to do almost everything. Whatever you can think from a perspective of a developer, it will allow you to do. Let's say you want to build a small snake game. Okay. So I'll just say make a snake game in HTML. That's it. Play enter. That's it. The only thing that you have to do. Okay. So it will take a few seconds, maybe a minute, and it will compile everything into one HTML file. Let's see how this thing will be created. "25 seconds already." It has thought for a while, for close to 30 seconds, and it's done. Less than a minute. Just click this, and we are able to play. Can you just believe it? It can create almost anything. I'm easily able to play this, and the entire thing it took was, I'll show you, it took almost 38 seconds. That's it. 38 seconds, and you have a playable game on your computer. Great, right? So, also, if you want to organize your desktop, let's say I have all these things, looks cluttered, right? I'll say, please organize my desktop. Say enter. And because we use that dash dash dangerously mode, so that's why it's not asking for any permission. So you have to be very careful whenever you are using this. Okay. So confirm I'll run the moves. Perfect. Let's do it. Perfect. Click enter. Let's see. So all these clutter that I'm already having on my desktop will be cleared. So it will automatically scan through all the things and figure out whether it's a screenshot, screen recording, projects, images, documents, whatever. So Claude Code is like a perfect tool. It's like a tool that can be used for almost anything that you can do on a computer. So first, I show you how to create a game. Now we are cleaning the desktop, right? It will take a while, I think another 30 seconds. So as you can see, it will first figure out what are the steps that we're gonna do, and then it will automatically in sequence. So as you can see, everything is now sorted. Okay. All the clutter has gone into these distinct folders. So as you can see, only these are the folders left. Perfect, right? If you click images, you'll find images, projects. So everything got here, screenshot, projects, images, nothing was deleted, just reorganized. Got it? Now, so if you want to create something else, let's say you want to make a website. So I'll say make a simple website of a student. Okay, say enter. It will automatically figure out how the website will be made. Nothing from our side here as well. And in the meantime, since it's running, I'll open one more terminal. Okay, so it's asking for some things. I'll say a hideout, restro, cafe, and then Ardi. That's it. Nothing else. Okay, till the time it's brewing, let me show you something else. So if you open the Claude and do a this forward slash, you'll be able to see all these things: browse, remotion, and other. So these are all the options that are coming, right? But if you want slash config, so this config shows you all the thing that auto compact is true, tips are true, reduce motion is false, thinking mode is true. We can turn this off if we do a space. The thinking mode is off. Session recap, it's allowed. Session recap is used, let's say, if you have created something but you want to roll back, then this session recap is used. And respect, skip, copy picker, editor mode, PR, model. So since you're, as you can see, currently the sonnet is being used, but let's say we want to use something else. Let's say we want to use Opus. Opus will cost us a lot because it's like the most capable in for the complex work, but it's a lot. And if you want super fast answers, you can use Haiku, but yeah, it's a bit less intelligent. And similarly, you can adjust the effort. Effort is like how much thinking this particular model is putting. So let's say currently it's set to low effort. I can use my arrow keys to make it high effort, low effort, or medium effort. I'll just leave it to low effort. Okay. And Claude and Chrome. So using Claude in terminal, you can directly control the Claude in Chrome as well. Then there is this teammate mode and the remote control for sessions. That's it. So what is remote? If you write slash remote, okay, slash remote control, so it will now allow you to control this session using your mobile phone. In your mobile, you can just download the Claude application and you'll be able to continue over there. So as you can see, if I am directly opening this, okay. So in the meantime, our website is ready. So as you can see, how much time did it took? It took close to 2 minutes. And in the meantime, let me show you this as well. So here opening this Claude session. So now, as you can see, I am opening this, but now the remote control is connected. So I can control my computer, this particular terminal, from anywhere in the world using any device. Just a Chrome or a web browser is needed. Just use this URL and you're done. Great, right? So config dialog dismissed. Let's see. Just do a reload. Control connecting. So it will take a while and then it will get connected. So whenever I can, I'll add any command here. So it will get reflected over there in this terminal. So this is how remote coding is actually happening. So people are now not sitting on their laptops. They are moving freely and they can just use their mobile to control this particular terminal. So this gives us a lot of power here. So the another thing is this config is done and yeah. So if you want to create a skill, let's say, I'll say create a skill to know weather of a place and tell me thought of the day. What is a skill? As discussed in my previous videos, it's like an instruction that we want Claude to repeat by itself. I mean, whenever I'm asking for a weather, I'm telling Claude that you have to tell me this thought of the day automatically. I'll not ask you every time that you have to give me. You have to just give it automatically. So I'll just do this and click enter. So it will automatically figure out what are the skills that are available, and then it's creating another skill for me. Okay, so it has created this Claude skills. So as you can see, now whatever I'm typing inside this editor, it is automatically reflecting here. If I'll just write something there, here in this browser, automatically those commands will be transferred inside this terminal. So whether thing is done, city, Delhi, India, skill is registered and API is working. Perfect. So what's the skill name for this? Slash weather thought. So even if I open a new terminal, okay, so Claude will remember all these things. So if I press forward slash, I can directly say weather thought, okay, and I will say Delhi was used, Mumbai, and click enter. So automatically it's already knowing that it has to show me the weather as well as the thought of the day. So here's the weather and here's the thought of the day. Now Claude can repeat my instructions automatically. I don't have to explicitly tell him again and again. So this is how skills are being used, and it will make your life very easy. If you are creating a lot of skills, if you are doing some sort of workflow every day, just create a skill and just forget. Set in cron that this skill has to be used on this particular time, and your life will be sorted. So this is how Claude Code is working. And if you want this desktop app, inside this desktop app, you can just click here, Claude Code. So now you can directly use Claude Code from here as well. Okay. So this is how Claude Code is working. And the last thing that I want to showcase is, yeah, inside the browser, I'll just demo you that if I am sending hello here, try sending a message again. Let's do a refresh. Hello. What are the details? Maybe the session might have expired because this thing is done. I'll say remote control. Remote control is connecting in active. Let's just copy this, enter, and it's connected, I guess. Hello. You're seeing hello here directly, right? It got connected. So this is how easy it is. Just spend $100 and your life will be sorted. If you're a developer, if you want to develop something, if you want to just start with coding, Cloud Code is the way to go. Okay, let's see you in the next video.